What is edge computing? Why it matters more than the cloud? Most of us know about cloud computing. But today, a new approach called edge computing is becoming even more important. In this video, let's understand what edge computing is, how it's different from the cloud, and why it matters more than ever. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing means your data is sent over the internet to large, centralized data centers. These servers process the information and send the result back to your device. This model powers apps, streaming, storage, and online services we use every day. The problem with only cloud: the cloud isn't perfect. Sending data far away causes delays, depends heavily on internet speed, costs bandwidth, and raises privacy concerns. For applications that need instant responses, even a small delay can be a big problem. What is edge computing? Edge computing solves this by processing data closer to where it's created, on the device itself or a nearby local server. Instead of sending everything to the cloud, only important data is shared, making systems faster and smarter. Simple example. Imagine a security camera. With cloud computing, video is sent to a distant data center for analysis. With edge computing, the camera analyzes video locally and reacts instantly, like detecting motion or faces in real time. Why edge is faster? Because data doesn't travel long distances, edge computing dramatically reduces latency. Decisions happen instantly, which is critical for real-time applications like automation, safety systems, and live monitoring. Where edge computing is used? Edge computing is already everywhere, in self-driving cars, smartphones, wearable devices, smart factories, and healthcare equipment. These systems need immediate responses without waiting for the cloud. Edge versus cloud. Quick comparison. Edge computing wins in speed, lower data costs, and better privacy. Cloud computing is still better for large-scale storage, advanced analytics, and AI model training. Each has its own strengths. Edge plus cloud is equal to best combo. The future isn't edge versus cloud, it's edge and cloud together. Edge handles fast decisions locally, while the cloud manages storage, learning, and large-scale processing. Why edge computing matters now? Edge computing is growing rapidly because of 5G AI-powered devices and billions of connected sensors. As technology becomes smarter and faster, processing data closer to the source is no longer optional. Final takeaway: the cloud is powerful, but edge computing is essential. Together, they form the backbone of modern digital technology. If speed, privacy, and real-time response matter, edge computing is the future.